Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today we will be looking at present simple tense. What is present simple tense? The present simple tense is a form of verb we use when we talk about actions that happen regularly, things that are always true, or situations that remain the same over time. In simple terms, it is the tense we use for daily routines, general facts, and regular actions. So whenever we talk about things we do every day, things that are always true, or things that happen again and again, we are using the present simple tense. Before we continue, if you are finding this lesson helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel so you do not miss more simple and clear English lessons like this. Now, let us continue with the lesson. 2. What the present simple tense describes. The present simple tense is used in many everyday situations. First, it describes daily routines and habits, like waking up, eating, going to school, or working. Secondly, it describes general truths or facts, things that are always true in life or science. Thirdly, it describes permanent situations, such as where someone lives or works. It is also used for fixed schedules, like school timetables or transport times. And finally, it is used when giving instructions or directions, especially when explaining steps clearly. So overall, it is a very useful tense because it appears in many areas of daily communication. 3. How we form the present simple tense. Now, let us look at how we form this tense. We will consider 3 forms: positive, negative, and question forms. Positive sentences. The structure is subject plus base verb. But remember, when the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or es to the verb. I play football every day. She plays football every day. They go to school in the morning. Negative sentences. To make a sentence negative, we use subject plus do/does plus not plus base verb. I do not like tea. He does not like tea. They do not come late. Notice that the main verb does not change. Questions. To form questions, we use do/does plus subject plus base verb. Do you play football? Does she go to school early? Do they live here? 4. Why it is called present. It is called present because it refers to actions or situations connected to the current time. Not necessarily something happening at this exact moment, but things that are generally true now or regularly happen now. 5. Why it is called simple. It is called simple because its structure is very easy. It does not use complex verb forms. Instead, it mainly uses the base verb with only small changes, like adding s or es. So it is straightforward and easy to understand. 6. Uses of present simple tense with examples. Now, let us look at the different ways we use the present simple tense. Habitual actions. We use it for actions we do regularly or repeatedly. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. She goes to school by bus. They play football every weekend. General truths. We use it for facts that are always true. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The earth moves around the sun. Permanent situations. We use it for long-lasting situations. He lives in Port Harcourt. My mother works in a hospital. She speaks English fluently. Scheduled events. We use it for timetables and fixed future plans. The train leaves at 8 a.m. School resumes on Monday. The plane arrives at 5 p.m. Instructions and directions. We use it when giving steps or directions. You turn right at the junction. You open the book and read page 1. First, you mix the ingredients. So, in summary, the present simple tense is one of the most important tenses in English. It helps us talk about routines, facts, permanent situations, schedules, and instructions. It is called present because it relates to current time, and simple because it is easy to form and understand. If you have understood this lesson, keep practicing with your own examples. And do not forget to come back for more simple and helpful English lessons like this. See you in the next lesson.